Hey you guys, oh my god, this is so shaky. I have my tripod on my bed. Come on if you're coming on. Okay, as long as Willie's not on the tripod, we're fine. Hey you guys, so in today's video we are going to tackle this mess. I show you a close-up of everything in the next clip, but things are not looking good in my makeup room. Like, I don't even know how to function when I get ready. Like, thank goodness I'm A, not really leaving the house, and B, when I am going to work, I'm not really seeing people more than 20 seconds when I'm bringing their curbside order out. So I don't really have to get ready, which has been a blessing. So that's probably how this ended up so crazy, is I was just like, oh my god, I'm not using it, dump this here, dump that there, dump this here, whatever. So we are going to declutter, not really like do new organization. I have a new thing from Michael's that I showed you guys too in the next clip that I'm going to put over here. It's got like a bunch of drawers just because I think I also don't have enough space for all of the stuff that I have. So that's really it. So we're just gonna basically declutter and organize a little bit and clean up my little makeup area. And Willie is very excited to help. Can't you tell? He's very excited. He's very excited. Alright, so let's get on into it and see what happens, and pray my tripod doesn't fall off the bed with my camera on it. Alright you guys, so this is today's video. We are going to fix it. I don't know what else to say about it. This is literally my makeup desk and I don't even know really what happened. I've got like crafts in that bottom one. There's my printer, which clearly gets a lot of use. I have clothes from Boohoo that I need to still make a haul on. I think that's going to be next week. I have this thing from Michael's that I'm hoping I'm going to put together right now actually and put right here and do something else with this stuff. I don't know. This whole room needs a whole big thing, but literally, you guys, this makeup desk is a disaster. Like, a battery charger, a stapler, a planter, which I'm gonna use as a makeup brush holder, but like I have 4 makeup brush holder things, so I don't know. All my palettes, I have a tablet, like PJs, protector for my computer, notepads, my old planner from like 2 years ago. Why that's out, I have no idea. Oh my god. Still like things I need to try out. I have a, what is that? A picture frame. My tripod is just chilling. I don't know why it's there, to be honest. An old video list. Like, I've done most of those already. Like, okay. Receipts. What is this? Leather cleaner wipes. I don't know. Shoes. I don't know. But this is what today's video is going to be. So I hope you're ready for some organization and just some like decluttering madness. Going off for my bread. Hold on. Oh, it smells so good. So this is what the final product looks like. Don't ask me what the rest of the room looks like because I've now made that a disaster. A disaster. But my makeup desk literally just looks so much less cluttered. And I feel like I only have things that I like reach for or that I find like super pretty and like can't put away. So much of my makeup is pretty much in this little like 10 drawer stand, which is awesome. If you guys have any way to make cords look pretty, let me know because it's driving me honestly so nuts. But basically I have some camera and tech equipment in this drawer. I have lips in this drawer. All of my highlighter and highlighter palettes are in here. Ruh-roh. There we go. Whoops. All of my blushes are in this drawer. Different like brush cleaners. I still need to try this. I just don't know where else to put it. Tape, like a fan. I don't even think this plugs into my new phone. A phone tripod, scissors, just random little things. Backup brushes and brushes I want to try. All of my setting sprays and lashes are in the back. I don't have a whole lot of lashes, so I just kind of shove them somewhere. And you guys will see I totally rearranged this from the first time you saw it in the beginning of the video. And then I have all my concealers and all my setting powders. This drawer is so heavy, I'm scared it's gonna like break the whole entire system. But it is all of my foundations. And then I have all of my primers. And then up top, I just have this little mug that I think I got from the dollar spot at Target. And it's filled with some nail polishes. And then I have these baskets in there. They are no longer in there, obviously. And I don't know really what to do with them. But I like them, so I don't want... Before I was cut off so rudely, I love these and I don't want to get rid of them, so I'm just going to leave them empty. And I kind of like having something up there that's empty. Is that weird? Am I the only one? I don't know. And then I have some lips that I just like to display, not for any particular reason. That's what's in there. And I downsized. I had a whole other one of these, like probably a half of the size of that, and I got rid of it, so I'm just pretty proud of myself. And then I love this little compass here, so I just leave it on my desk. I have my JBL speaker, and then my little close-up mirror if I need to. A bunch of liquid lipsticks. My whiteboard has nothing on it right now, but it will. A few of my perfumes and like body sprays, and then my lotion. I just like the way this looks, so I keep it out. My ring light, my camera props right into there when I'm filming a beauty video. And then I have some pens, pencils, and then two little roller perfumes. Don't ask why they're there, that's where they're staying. My current sponges, and my mini blendiful and my regular blendiful. These brushes are separate. I know I'm going to get asked questions. These brushes are separate because they're my Bare Minerals brushes. My tweezers are in the back. My eye brushes, lip liners, and then I have the Buxom lip plumping chapstick or whatever it is. And then my Revlon Kiss Balm. You guys know I'm like in love with that. My niece's picture from like a really long time ago. Not my niece, but my cousin. And I don't know where else to put it. But I found it while I was cleaning, so I put it there. And then I have a few little notebooks that I like to take notes in, or if I have ideas or something like that. So I like to keep notebooks on the desk. They're all for like different things, you know. And then one of my best friends got me this little weenie dog pen, and she told me I had to keep it on display as if I would do anything else with it, but it's cute as heck. So there it is. And then I have my foundation brushes and then the rest of my face brushes. This is actually a planter from TJ Maxx. I got it a few months ago before all of this madness went on. So that's that. And then down here now are all of my eyeshadow palettes. This drawer, or this shelf and this shelf. And then this is all kinds of travel bags for makeup. And then in here is nothing actually. Oh, I forgot to wipe this one out. Is nothing actually. And I love that. So we're going to leave that empty. I'm sure I'll fill it at some point, but it's empty for now. And then in here now, it's a little bit more spaced out and it's not so chaotic like it was before. I have my mascaras, my eyeliners, some pot liners, extra wipes, some random things, my single eyeshadows, and then some brow stuff, and then all of my extra scrunchies. And now in this drawer, I have products I would or would not repurchase. I want to do a video on it, so I'm trying to keep them all, whether they're empty or not. The things I really liked are empty. Things I did not like are not empty, but I used them for a while. My JBL speaker case, a stapler, extra glasses. I have to finish a Christmas gift. Yes, I know it is April. And then some earrings and some glitters for some fun looks in the back if I ever need them. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. It is super late. It is, I don't even know where my phone is, but it's so late and I'm so sleepy. So I am going to go change and go to sleep. But I hope you guys liked this video. I had so much fun. This was something that I needed to do, and this is just the perfect opportunity for me to do it. So I hope you guys tagging along with me. I did declutter some foundations, a bunch of organizers, acrylic organizers, because they were just taking up space on my desk and I don't like that. So I got rid of a bunch of those, and then some makeup bags, but most of it's going to some of my good friends that I work with, so they will go to good homes. And I got rid of, I think, 2 eyeshadow palettes. So I'm sure I'll get rid of more coming soon because I'm in declutter mode. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!